Hello everyone, my name is Sai Shriram, study in class 5 from DAV Public School, Radhabagita, Cuttack. Now I'm going to show you my craft film. Here I have taken a box and I will paste my pebbles with the help of my glue gun. Like this. Here I have used acrylic black color. Now I will color my pebbles. Now let it dry for some time. I have taken 3 rods like this. Now I will color this with black acrylic color. You can color it with any color in your choice. With the help of glue, I will cover this cardboard with the paper. Now I color it. Let it dry for some time. I will make stairs with this newspaper. And now I will fix it here. With this paper roll, I make my pulley and fix it like this. Now my well is ready. I will fix it in the center of my paste. Now I will fix my pillar beside my well. Now I tie my rope on pulley. Now I tie my rope in my real bucket. I will decorate my well with some real grass. Now I am enjoying pulling water from my well. Have a nice day.